Hi YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a broken headphone jack from the headphone port of a tablet, iPad or any smartphone. As you can see here, I have a tablet and an iPad with a broken headphone jack inside the port. You would need super glue, a pair of pliers, a pair of scissors and a normal big pen. Now you have to remove the ink reservoir from the pen. Once you have done that, cut off about 4 centimeters or 1.6 inches of the ink reservoir. You might have to open up the ink reservoir a little bit as it might not fit inside the jack port. Now insert some glue. You can use a toothpick. Make sure that the glue goes inside the ink reservoir. Remove any glue from the outside of the ink reservoir. Now insert the ink reservoir into the jack port. You might have to use a small hammer to tap it a little bit. As you can see here, I've inserted it in the tablet and in the iPad. You now have to leave it inside for 8 to 24 hours. It is important that you leave it inside long enough for the ink to dry properly. After 8 to 24 hours, you might have to use a pair of pliers to remove the ink reservoir from the jack port. And as you can see here in this example, after using the pair of pliers, the stuck piece of jack has been removed. Thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye.